Hi there, I hope you are having a wonderful summertime with your family. Last Halloween, we bought some pumpkins for my daughters to carve. Then we threw the seeds in the backyard. And nature always amazes me. The tree somehow managed to grow so fast and give us 2 giant pumpkins today. So let's make a very super moist pumpkin bread for my daughters with me today. By the way, what are you doing for wrapping your food? I'm making a craft paper bag so I can wrap the other half of the pumpkin and share with my cousin. The pumpkin will last longer and it's also safer for the environment. For lazy days, you can just throw the pumpkins into a rice cooker and make some milk with a blender. When you feel ready to try my recipe, steam the pumpkin. I'll put the list of ingredients in the description below. My blender has been working so hard for me. I just put all the wet ingredients in and the sugar into the blender. And then we just need to shift all the dry ingredients and fold them into the wet. While waiting for the bread to be cooked, let me introduce you to a very famous traditional Vietnamese drink using fresh green tea leaves. Unlike Japanese green tea art, the way we do it here is very simple. However, at some point in our life, we come to realize the simpler the better. This is also my partner's favorite drink. When it's colder, we take every little sip slowly. But when it's hot, like these days, we just add a lot of ice into it and make something called jada. And now the bread is ready. I wish I can share with you the smell of it. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and please take care.